How to regrow hair naturally. Hair loss is common among men and women, and many seek to treat using chemical solutions, hair implants, and even surgery. If you prefer to find ways to regrow hair naturally, scalp massage, beneficial oils, and dietary changes are chemical-free remedies and inexpensive that you can start using immediately. Taking good care of your hair to prevent further loss is another great way to maintain a healthy. Massage your scalp daily. Scalp massage promotes good circulation around the hair follicles, creating the right environment for hair growth. Use the tip of your fingers to gently massage the scalp with circular movements. Take your time and massage every part of your scalp so that blood flow is stimulated to all areas where you want the new hair to grow in. Try an oil massage. Adding oil to the equation helps aid circulation even more than a standard head massage. The oil helps to unclog hair follicles and allow new growth to come. Once or twice a week, plan to use oil to massage the head. It is easier to do in the shower, and then rinse the oil when finished. Use therapeutic hair masks. A good hair mask performs the double task of keeping the hair hydrated and healthy while stimulating growth. Household items like honey, egg, avocado, aloe and apple cider vinegar are all very beneficial for the hair. Apply a mask for 15 minutes, making sure to cover the scalp, and then wash your hair as usual. Make sure you do not use a shampoo with added sulfate. Use essential oils. Some essential oils are said to promote healthy circulation and stimulate hair growth. The addition of a few drops of these oils for oil treatments, masks, and shampoo is a good way to give your scalp an extra boost. Avoid using shampoo containing sulfates and harsh ingredients. Many commercially produced shampoos use sulfates as the primary cleanser. Sulfates strip hair of its natural oils, causing it to become dry and brittle. This can lead to hair breakage and hair loss over time. When a gentle, natural shampoo used, your hair have the opportunity to grow up healthy and strong. Sulfates pass a very mild shampoo, and you should see results in a few months. Eat lots of protein. Protein is the building block for healthy hair. Having a diet that is rich in protein will help your hair grow faster. Make sure you are getting the recommended daily allowance protein each day. Add more omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. This healthy fat is essential for healthy hair growth, and not enough in your diet may seem fragile hair and dull. Incorporate more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet on a daily basis. Your skin will also benefit from a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Eat aromatic foods. When you are not getting enough iron, your body produces fewer red blood cells, leading to a condition known as anemia. This can cause hair loss among many other symptoms. Add more iron to your diet by eating green leafy vegetables, red meat and other aromatic foods. Alternatively, you can take iron supplements to meet their daily needs. Stay well hydrated. Did you know that drinking water can help your hair grow more vibrant and healthy? Like other parts of your body, your hair is greatly affected by dehydration. Make sure you are drinking enough water daily. Drink when you are thirsty, and change out coffee, soda and alcohol to water as often as possible. Recommended intake of water is 2 liters per day minimum.